Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So let's see if market break this level. I'll go with buyers, or if it breaks here I'll go with sellers. If market break this level, I will go with sellers. Let's see. But the market close at the sellers area. I place my trade call option because I know market will break this level, because what you can observe here, when market reaches this level you can see sellers entry, but when market reaches this level again you see buyers. So definitely buyers must enter. You see spinning top, a red spinning top. Here you can see green hanging man or spinning top, so that's why I know definitely buyers must enter. So that's why I place my trade call option at this level, and this is winning trade. Let's check another market. So here this is process of elimination. Yes, it's process of elimination. I will place my trade put option because of this candle didn't break the higher high of this week. So I know sellers, and this is the rejection area. Even though market is not good and we are in strong downtrend, you see we are in strong downtrend. Here you see 200, 100, 50, 20, and this candle didn't break the wick of this candle. So that means it's process of elimination. Next candle must be a red candle. So let's check another one. Here it's not nice because we don't have level, but let us analyze with Fibonacci extension. Let's place it here and here, maybe, or here. Yes, 161.8. this is the reversal area. Market will reverse at this level. Market will reverse at this level. This is buyer's candle is strong. I place my trade call option because here I can see small buyers here and no sellers at this level, and this candle is strong candle and it's a reversal candle. So I know definitely next candle must be green because of this strong downtrend. So now anytime you see this type of candle, market will create big candle. Market will reverse with strong candles. So this candle must be strong in the next 15 seconds. This candle must be strong candle. That's why I place my trade call option. You see this strong candle. So that's why I place my trade call option at this level. Here what you will observe, anytime you see strong downtrend momentum, you see momentum. So if you see reversal pattern like this candle, strong buyers entry, So you should expect strong candle. In the next candle supposed to be green again because of this strong momentum of the sellers. So you should expect at least three green candles, 2 or 3 green candles on this situation. Good. Let's pull back from 20 MA because they are far away, so market must go up from here. Market must go up from this level. This flat and the trend is strong uptrend. So let's see the next candle. Let's wait for the next candle. If the next candle is weak, gap up, you see gap up here, that's why I didn't place my trade. Gap up, this candle, so let's wait for the next candle. Here is strong buyers area, here as well, and this week. So let's see. Plus call option because I know because of this strong bias area, this candle must be green candle. You see strong bias, weak sellers, strong bias entry, strong bias entry. So I know markets will go up at least for one candle. Yes, this is winning trade. So here what you will observe, anytime try to get opportunity. If you have major uptrend, you see this is EMA alignment, so that strong market is in major uptrend. So this candle is too strong compared to 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. This is a strong yes candle, and here you see strong candles, candle, green candle, strong candle, green candle. So you see strong candle, so you should expect green candle. And here is strong bias area, you see bias entry, rejection from bias. That's why I place my trade call option at this level. So this is winning trades. So let's check another one. I'll take one more trade and finish my trading. Here you see this market is not nice, but we are in major uptrend. If I get lower entry point, I'll place my trade. Time has finished, no problem, because of this fake breakout of 100 EMA. You see strong buys. Yes, here. I will place put option because of these three white soldiers, and here is the sellers. You see rejection, and you see rejection, and here you see strong level. Market holds at this level, so that's why. And this is upcoming uptrend. At least you should expect a retracement candle. After these three white soldiers, you should expect a retracement candle because of this level. So I know sellers must enter. That's why I place my trade put option. You see strong sellers entry. So this is the winning trade. You see here strong sellers, rejection. You see rejection, and this is strong level. Market hold for how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. So you should expect at least 3 candles to hold at this level. Maybe next time if candle come to this level again and hold, you should expect sellers again. So you can see I took total 5 trades. All are winning trades because I can see market is moving normal. That's why I decided to take 5 trades. I'm concentrated. You know, trading needs concentration, and check the opportunities, wait for the opportunities, and check the market condition very well before you take your trade. You see here first trade, I predicted a green candle. You see I placed call and the candle is green. The next candle I place put and the candle is red. Then this candle I place call, the candle is green. The first candle I place call, the candle is green as well. And here I place put, the candle is red. So this is the trade I took. So I will say thank you, bye bye.